Thinking about joining the Coursera affiliate program to make big money? Let's break down the real numbers. So, Coursera is a massive, completely legitimate e learning platform partnered with top tier universities and tech giants like Google and Yale. Their affiliate program is completely free to join, offering a solid 20%, now 15% to 45% commission on thousands of courses, certificates, and specializations, all backed by a 30-day tracking cookie. But can you make big money? It is highly unlikely unless you already have a massive, hyper targeted audience. Online education has a tough conversion rate because people rarely buy a premium course on a sudden impulse click. To make matters worse, you do not earn any commissions on their high ticket multi-thousand-dollar online degree programs, meaning your earnings are capped at smaller individual certificate sales. So the affiliate program is an excellent premium tool if you already have an established audience of students. But if you are starting completely from scratch, skip the get rich hype and expect a slow, grueling grind.